In this short video tutorial, I will explain how the Cash App money flip scam works and why you should avoid it. Now, this scam usually starts with someone promising to double your money. They may ask you to send a small amount, like $10, and then send back $20 to gain your trust. Afterwards, they continue increasing the amounts. You might send $50 and then receive $100 back. Then you send $500 and receive $1,000 back. At this point, it can seem like an easy way to make money. But this is where the scam begins. Once they build up enough trust, they may ask for a larger amount, such as $1,000. Then, after you send the money, they block you and disappear, leaving you with nothing. Now, scammers often do this with multiple people at the same time, using smaller payments to make their scheme look legitimate before taking larger amounts and cutting off contact. So, the most important thing to remember is that no legitimate person can guarantee they will double your money through Cash App. Always remember never to send money to someone with the expectation that they will send back more. Be especially cautious of messages from strangers on social media or anyone claiming they have a secret investment or money flipping method. You should always verify who you're dealing with before sending money and only use Cash App to send payments to people you know and trust. If you come across a money flip offer, it's best to ignore it, block the account, and report it to help protect yourself and others from becoming victims of the same scam. And that's how Cash App money flips work. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.